What's up, guys? Hi, my name is Carter Libis. I live in Prescott, Arizona. I'm 18 years old. I joined the program about 2 months ago, and it was honestly, one of the best things that's ever happened to me. I've always wanted to get into real estate, and wholesaling, I could tell, was definitely a way too, with not a lot of money. I jumped on Brent's program, the TTT program, in May. Since May, I've locked up 2 deals, profiting $23,000. All from TTPing, all from cold calling. It's absolutely phenomenal, guys. If you are thinking about joining the program, please jump on and do so. It's honestly awesome. You won't regret it, I promise you. The deals will start flowing in. It's literally step by step on how to do things and really how to maximize your potential with wholesaling. It's honestly like hitting the lottery, like he says. It's incredible. I just want to give a big shout out to Brent and that whole wholesaling and crew. Thanks again for everything, guys.